Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add video to WooCommerce product page. Let's get started. So I have in here this product and I want to add in here a video. So what I can do is I can head over and then click on this edit option right there in order to edit this particular product. Now this will open this new tab right here that will allow me to edit this product that I have. Now scroll down. In here you can see the product image. Continue scrolling down until you can see this product gallery. If you want to add in here an image or a video, you need to head over and add some few more things. Click on this add media right here. And then in here, let's upload the video that we want to use. So let's select the file right here. So this will open in here this. So let's head over and then locate the video that we want. For example, let's add this right here and click on open, and then this will upload that particular video. As you can see, it has uploaded our media or video that we have, and this is what it looks like. So click on this insert into product right here in order to add that particular media. Now this will show right here onto our product description instead of our gallery. So once you're done with that, click on this update option right here in order to update your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.